Hey, it's Chad Lubin, Cross Country Mortgage. I hope you guys are having a fantastic week. Wanted to talk to you a little bit about the market. Wanted to give you a quick interest rate update. Wanted to give you a couple tactics that we see winning in the current market. So first, I got to tell you, the misinformation out there by the media is insane. Do not go to the media as your resource for real estate. None of these experts are currently in the business. Some of them might have been in the past. Diana Oleg, who just bashes the housing market constantly on CNBC, she said today, first-time homebuyer rates are at 7%. That's not true. Rates are in the low fives. A first-time homebuyer doesn't pay a special rate of 7%. So just to hear that on a major network, and the misinformation out there is crazy. So go to your realtors, come to us, come to an expert lender. There's a lot of non-expert lenders out there, unfortunately, but the talk was of a real estate crash. Listen, the current demand for housing is about 4.2 million of just mortgage applications. That doesn't cash buyers. Last year, over a half of the home sales were cash buyers. So if you figure there's 4 million people out there and 3-some million bought last year, there's 7 million potential pool of buyers. The most homes that have ever came to the market in a year was 1.9 million. So even with prices continuing to go up, even with interest rates up slightly year over year, Diana made the comment of mortgage origination dropping off substantially. It went from it's 2.3 trillion it's on track to do this year. Last year it did, or 2.3 trillion already done this year. Last year it did 4 trillion. It's on track to do slightly a little bit less than last year. So they put these spins on things to create fear in people. There is nothing to be fearful for, in my opinion, of the housing market. We have strong demand. We have very common interest rates. If you look over the last 30 years, this is about the average that they've been, and everyone is panicking that they're high. And I'll show you in a second how they've improved. So get your information from trusted sources. What they put out there, even on these financial channels, like this is CNBC, has Squawk Box, this is like financial reporting, and the numbers couldn't be more off. So we're seeing a slight slowdown in mortgage applications. It's slight. And we're talking across the industry numbers, just not on my team. So please get your information from correct people. If you compare what we're on pace to do in 2021 in mortgage applications, which shows some of the strength of the housing market, it would be the third best year ever. So don't be misinformed. Don't make decisions off of what these talking heads say. Get them from trusted sources. I hope I'm one of those trusted sources. So check out what mortgage rates did. Everyone was very fearful this was Monday. There was a consumer price index report that was due out. It came out pretty hot. Inflation's over 8% year over year. It was slightly below where experts expect it to be, market analysts. So that's a good thing. And we got a really good bounce off of this support right here. What's that mean? It means we've been seeing lower rates. And if this starts heading this way, which it looks like there could be a potential V-shaped recovery, which means lower rates ahead, we're seeing some really good signs here over the next couple of days. So a couple of mortgage applications we took in today, we're floating their rate. We watch it for them. We lock them in. We guarantee the rate they got or better. And gosh, it's just, I got to tell you that working with experts now, I love a time like this. Like some of the newer loan officers I have, loan officers I coach across the country, there's all this panic, there's all this fear. It's because they haven't been through markets like this. They don't have the experience to navigate it. I want to tell you, we do. We have over 100 years of experience between our top 3 veterans, and I just got to tell you that We are here to navigate you through these turbulent times. We're here to get your offer accepted. We're here to lock in your rate at the best place that the market determines. So we will take great care of you. How are we getting a lot of offers accepted right now? Appraisal gap coverage. Check with us about it. Talk to your realtor that you might want to do an addendum to cover some appraisal shortage. We had 4 offers go in this weekend. 2 of them were against cash offers. We beat both of those cash offers. Now the price still has to be high and higher than the cash offer, but this appraisal gap addendum is working and we are beating cash buyers, and I want to help you if you go against a cash buyer. So give us a call, get on my schedule with my team to talk about these strategies. You can always talk to myself. You can always talk to Thomas on my team, 312-731-4939. Thank you for trusting us with your pre-approval.